Good morning. I am Renju Leopold, PGT Computer Science, KV Arvankadu. So today we are going to discuss how to integrate calendar in classroom. So for that, the first thing is you have to log in to your using your G Suite ID and then go to classroom.google.com. After that, select the class in which you are the class teacher. Okay, and on doing this, you would be getting a screen, something which looks like this. And here you have to click on classwork. After that, you would again, this is the screen which you are going to get. And here, click on Google Calendar here. I hope all can see. Then you will get the calendar page. Once you get the calendar page, you can schedule the classes. Your calendar it can be scheduled in this particular calendar. The periods of your particular class can be scheduled in this calendar. So for that, you can click on a particular day, okay, and then you can select that particular time slot for which you have the first period. Before that, ensure that you have unchecked all the other classes and only your class should be checked over here. Then choose the date and time based on a timetable. For example, if your first period is at 9 a.m., then click on 9 a.m. like this. Here you can click. Okay, so I'm going to schedule the class for 30th, that is Thursday. So you can see this. So if it is 9 a.m., you have to click over here. At 9 a.m., you have to click. And then once you click in that particular slot, you would get a pop-up window like this. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to, can you see this add title? Here you are supposed to fill in the subject title. Okay, for example, if I'm having the first period is English, then fill English over here. And then the time you can set it based upon the timetable of your class. So for example, if the first period is from 9 to 9:45, you can see this. By default, it will show 1 hour time. Since you have clicked on 9 a.m., you can see a time slot from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. because by default, classroom takes 1 hour. Okay, so here you can change it to 9:45. So this I'll show you in the next slide. So you're supposed to give the subject name and add title as I showed you. Then correct the time and date as per your timetable. I told you, you can, if suppose you have 9 to 9:45, then change that 10 to 9:45. Okay. Then after that, you can you see this option here? Click on more options. So when you click over here, now you can see that I have changed this time from 10 to, I've changed it to 9:45 over here. And I've given the subject to be biology, computer science over here. And then I've clicked on more options. So when you click on more options, you would be getting a screen like this. So here what you have to do is, you have to, it by default, it will show doesn't repeat. Okay, by default, it shows this option would be seen over there. That you have to change to weekly on this particular day for which you are setting that particular subject for. So here, since I set the timetable of Thursday, that is 9 a.m. on Thursday, I have changed this to weekly on Thursday, so that the subject gets repeated, the same subject gets repeated during the time slot every Thursday. Okay, so that you need to set the timetable only for a particular week. When you're giving this, it gets automatically scheduled for the remaining days as well. So after this, you can click on the save option. So save option would be on, it will be on top right corner. So click on save option there. So which means this has been set. This particular subject's timetable is set. Now after this is the same, you're going to you are going to do it for all the other days and subjects. You have to do for an entire week you will be doing like that. So now another, I'll show you one more example over here. Just explain once more here. Now suppose now first period is over. Now the next thing is you may have to set the next period. So to set the next period may start from 10 to 10:45 according to our school. The second period is from 10 to 10:45. So you have to click over here in this space. You have to click, and as before, by default the timetable would be scheduled from 10 to 11. So what you have to do, you have to change that 11 to 10:45, and then change that. You have to give the subject name. Then you have to also go to more options and set weekly on that particular day, and then click on save. Now suppose I've made a mistake, or I want to change the subject. When there's a change in the timetable or something like that, I want to change the subject. So what I can do is I can actually go to edit option. So edit option is seen, like you can simply go to this particular subject which you have set, click on it, then you will be getting a pop-up window like this. Here you can click on this pencil symbol. So when you click on this pencil symbol, it opens in the edit mode. Okay, so wherein you can see here. See, I've opened this in the edit mode, and then you can click on, you can change whatever you want to change. You can change all that. Now one more thing, suppose I want to set a notification, or I have to send a reminder to students before the class. Then I can do that in add notification icon over here using this. So when I click on add notification, you can set the time for sending a reminder to like how many minutes before you want the notification to be sent to the children. So that can be given over here. So here I have set it as 10 minutes. Okay, so before 10 minutes, a message will go to children informing them about that particular class. Now suppose you want to see the subsequent days. There's a small arrow like this over here. You can click on it and you will get the subsequent days in the calendar. Now, after setting everything, after doing everything for the entire week, your calendar would look like this. Your calendar will look like this, and as you go through all the days using that arrow symbol, you can see that it is repeating for other weeks as well. Okay, so this is how you integrate. This is how you integrate your timetable or your calendar with classroom. Now your classroom will be scheduled based upon this particular calendar. Thank you.